Today, I'll tell you about audio-to-text conversion for free and without registration. For this, we will use the speech-to-text service. The service offers high-quality speech recognition from audio and video files, as well as from YouTube, and provides convenient tools for working with text. Let's take a look at how the transcription process from an audio file works. Choose the language and the number of speakers, or leave these settings automatic. The AI will automatically detect the language and how many speakers there are in the audio. Simply upload your audio file. The service supports many formats, including MP3, OGG, WAV, and others. Depending on the length of your audio file, the service estimates the processing time. But don't worry, on average 1 hour of audio is processed in about 10 minutes. The result won't take long, and soon you'll get your text with timestamps and speaker separation. Download the text in a convenient format and use it as you like. Everything is simple and convenient. In addition to audio files, our service also allows you to attach a YouTube video link or upload a video file for transcription into text. Try voice-to-text transcription for free and without registration today, and see the convenience and quality of speech-to-text for yourself. The link to the service is in the video description.